Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram. We could not find your account. Create a new account. Check your username, mobile number or email and try again problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Click on search. Search Instagram application. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your Instagram application. Enter your correct username, email or phone number and password and click on login. You can follow all of the steps to fix we could not find your account not available to access Instagram account. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.